So hey guys, welcome back on this channel. So I am Jasprit Singh, your questing Singh, back on this channel. So I know that you guys are waiting so desperately on this channel that why I am not putting any kind of video. So yeah, I am back to give you an update that so sorry for this channel. I am currently working on something amazing, something new. Okay, so that's what this update is gonna be. So if you guys know, some of you might be knowing this, but if you guys don't know, so this is gonna be an update, an awesome update. Okay, so be with me till the end, and this is gonna be a short update video. So don't worry for that. So yeah, so let me change this screen. So let me show you that yeah, instead of this channel which you guys are just subscribed, and this video is I just wanted to give you some update, so that's why I am putting a video on it. So yeah, I am going to be active on this channel. So this is going to be an AI content, and as you guys know that AI is going crazy. So recently it also attracted me, so I cannot also escape from this, and I actually wanted to get into it. So I am learning, I am growing, I am earning, and just documenting. Okay, so I just want this journey to be amazing. So just thought that why not to take these 564 people who loved me at that time. I am so much thankful for you guys there to give me this kind of love. So yeah, this at this time uh, I am came up with this so much energy right now, and I know that you guys will do some amazing crazy thing to change this number into three digits, and hopefully four digits and five digits and six digits. So let's see how big we can go and how far we can go. So let's see. And I am putting out crazy content on this online on this channel. Okay, this is pure value. If you guys follow me along, if you guys see that what I am doing, this is basically my documenting whatever I am learning. I am just putting out, and I know if you will follow me, you will definitely gonna love the content. So yeah, if you are also crazy, if you want to know or see how I'm building the things, just go and click the link in the description of this video, and just subscribe to this channel and give me some support and whatever. So yeah, so that's what this video is all about, and I hope that you guys will gonna support me from whatever the love you have given me till now on this channel. So yeah, you will also give me on this new channel as well. So yeah, that's up to you. Even if you choose to do subscribe, or even if you choose to not subscribe, it's up to you. I am just here to give you an update, and I know that this is gonna be a crazy journey. So if you follow me along, this is gonna be your amazing benefit. So yeah, let's make it something amazing together. Okay, so yeah, thanks for being with me. So I होप कि या अपन कुछ बहुत बढ़िया करेंगे with this new update and whatever I am doing. So if you want to follow me along, thanks a lot. Bye bye.